You ready?
Not really. You want to wait?
Yo, hey guys, SmallmouthCrush, Epic Eric. Today we're going to be targeting some smallmouth with the Beast Coast open water sniper jig. And it's a sneaky little jig that I helped design. It's got less strands, it's got an exposed hook, no weed guard, an awesome football head, a BB hook. BB?
No, BKK.
BKK hook. BKK hook up in here.
BKK to the hook.
Anyways, I don't know my hooks, man. Give me a break. Listen, we're going to go catch some smallmouth with the sniper jig, and we're going to rig it a little different. We're going to fish it a little different than you may have fished a jig in the past.
That's right.
That's all coming up
On SmallmouthCrush.
Okay, so the open water sniper jig, I'm actually going to be pairing this. This color is called Mothman, and it's black, based on the conspiracy of the Mothman that flies around areas that could experience some type of evil event.
You're losing me, man. But I'm just gonna throw.
Anyways, I have a 2.8 Kitech on the back. Epic Eric is throwing one as well, and he's using the sexy melon color with a 2.8 Gobi colored Kitech.
Can't go wrong with that.
And we're going to be swimming these actually. So not necessarily, you know, in the water column. We're going to be swimming it on the bottom really slow. I'm using a bait caster. You have a spinning rod. Really, it's up to you. I see you have braid on.
Yep.
I'm going to go straight fluorocarbon. I'm actually using 10-pound straight fluoro. I have it on a Victory rod. This one's the Marshall. It pairs well with this. You're using a 7.2 medium-sized spinning rod.
Yep.
And we're going to go to work.
This is medium heavy.
Medium
heavy. That's right. And
Okay.
I've got braid to fluoro 10-pound leader.
Perfect. Let's catch a few fish.
Right on.
Let's proceed this way. I'll come over here so I get view of the camera.
Sure thing.
And proceed with the cast.
Take that first cast.
So all I'm doing is making a cast with it to the target. I'm letting it hit the bottom. I keep my rod tip down and I just reel it extremely slow. I'm just ticking the bottom. So you might get snagged a little bit. I just pop it off and continue that straight retrieve. You just want to feel it bumping bottom every once in a while. There he is. I was just swimming that.
Make the right cast.
In the boat you go. Okay, we're gonna get a bigger one, I promise. Maybe.
That's a start.
It is a start.
You gotta start somewhere.
Gigante. Another big one.
He's a jumper.
Come on.
Where are the bigs there, eh?
They're obviously not here.
Nope.
We need to go to a different location.
We gotta go. Okay, we got the little ones out the way. Let's go and search for bigger fish. Check back soon.
Dude, you catch walleye too with it.
Dude, pulled that walleye right into my head.
There's always a walleye hanging around that tree.
Walleye burger tree.
Really? Big.
Oh, perch!
Holy
Tasty
crap.
perch.
We should have kept it.
Everything eats the sniper. We got a fall fish, a walleye, yellow perch, and smallmouth. I'm saving it. Listen, he caught a fall fish, which is a sucker, and a walleye, and I caught a perch. Everything eats the sniper.
Got him?
Better one, maybe. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Stud.
Yeah. Why would you even talk about that?
I don't know.
Yeah. Got a good one on. OW sniper. With the Gobi combo. how green that fish is. Completely different colors than yesterday. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right. Look at the markings on that fish. Let's get a color shot of that jig. Tell us about this color skirt, Travis.
Sexy melon.
Sexy melon with the green pumpkin goby. 2.8 Kitech. You're lying.
I swear.
It is not a muskellunge. The OW sniper catches everything, including muskies. Are you serious?
It happens.
We've caught everything that swims in this river. Yellow perch. Now a muskie. That's
we really have. We caught walleye.
Walleye, yellow perch.
Big old muskellunge.
Muskellunge. He's pretty, man.
Smelly.
Is he smelly?
You want to smell my fingers?
No, thank you.
Nice. Allow me.
Please do.
We got another one. So Eric's catching a few fish and I'm not. Why is that?
I don't know. Whoa. He's trying to dog me down.
Oh, that's a good one.
That's a good one. Another good one on the sniper. Right in the chopper. Come on, come on. Come on.
I'm doing the same thing. I'm just slow reeling.
I don't know, man.
I can't get bit.
Woo.
Look at that. That's a nice chunk there.
Look at that chunkster. Look at the belly on that fish. All the way in. All the way in to crush us.
And they're hooked good too.
That is, man. That BKK hook. Oh, got it. Let's release her and get back out there.
Nice. Look at that thing.
That's a fatty, dude. Go spawn.
Got another one?
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
What the heck?
Oh! Sniper. Wow. Like a super crawling it, man. He just stopped it. Like he felt like a rock for a second. And then I'm like, oh, the rock's moving, eh? Come here, Mr. Smallmouth. Whew. Another OW right in the corner of the mouth. This one, man. That BK hook just like goes in the bone. Oh,
Got him.
got him.
Yes.
Good one.
I don't know. It's hard to tell.
Almost a double. Still counts.
No, he's not very big.
All right. Well, he's a small one.
Got another one.
Sniper. They're liking this goby color, Travis.
That's what I'm throwing.
I was trying to give you. I thought you were with the Mothman.
I switched.
You what?
Switched.
Right in the roof of the mouth.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's keep her rolling.
Here's a good one.
That's the one. Let's go. Yay! Nice fish, Travis.
There we go. A decent one there. Look how nice that's hooked though. Just dragging that. OW Sniper. We're using a quarter ounce with a 2.8 goby. At least I am. Nice little chunky smallmouth. Catch one.
That's a good dude.
Oh man.
This is an old fish, man.
Oh. Alright, you're good.
Look at this behemoth,
That's a
dude.
big one.
That is an old fish,
Wow.
man. Wow. Wow.
Get him up in the front and come in your seat, you know.
Wow. Got to. That's how I like to do it.
That's the way to get him.
Whoo. The old sniper. Look at that beauty right there. Holy moly, dude.
Well, there you go.
Wow, let's turn him around.
It's a nice
See how that
fish.
PKK got him? Dang. What a fish. Wow.
There's a pig. Alright,
Get that fish, get that pig in the boat. That's nice.
Alright, we're gonna end this on a small note. Because I can't seem to catch any big ones today, but Eric got a couple good ones. Now, this definitely can be the deal at times.
Yes.
And I mean, he's hooked good.
They do get pinned.
We got this little guy off.
All right.
Okay, maybe if we hold him way up, he'll look bigger. Hey, that's a cute little smallmouth. Listen, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Go check out beastcoastfishing.com. OW Sniper Jig. Again, crawling along, swimming along, real slow,
Yeah.
ticking the bottom. But there's so many different ways you can fish that. A lot
Sure.
of different trailers. You can put a beaver style.
Yep.
You can put a Ned rig. I mean,
Yep.
I do it all. You can fish it super shallow as well as deep, 30, 40, 50 feet of water as
Right
well.
on.
They make them in a quarter, 3/8, and a 1/2 ounce. What more can I say? As always, until next time, we'll see you guys on the water.
That socket wrench back there.
Where? Oh, geez,
In the
how'd that
corner.
get there?
I don't know.
All right.
Well, just sort of appeared out of nowhere.
Can I hit end now?
I think so.
Okay.